Hello traders, in this video I am taking a look at the Burning Grid EA for MT5, an automated trading system available on the MQL5 Marketplace. But before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, one important thing to note right away is that Burning Grid is designed specifically for MT5. The current version listed is version 2.32, updated on March 29th, 2026, and at the time of this review, it is priced at 999 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 99 US dollars. As we scroll through the marketplace page, we can see that the EA has been developed by Magma Software Solutions UG. The developer highlights Burning Grid. The developer highlights Burning Grid as a multi-pair trading solution capable of working across up to 35 pairs simultaneously. It's also worth noting that the EA requires a hedging account and will not operate on netting accounts. So that's something traders need to verify with their broker before getting started. Moving further into the description, one of the major focuses here is flexibility. The EA includes adaptive strategy activation per symbol, allowing different trading approaches to be applied across different markets. Traders can also choose between low, medium, and high risk profiles, depending on their objectives and risk tolerance. Another notable feature is the drawdown management system. The developer states that users can define drawdown limits at both the account level and currency group level. There is also functionality designed to automatically pause higher risk symbols when predefined limits are reached, which can help maintain overall account control. The marketplace page also highlights compatibility with prop firm challenges and capital acceleration programs. In addition, the EA supports backtesting and optimization, allowing users to test different configurations and search for settings that align with specific risk or drawdown requirements. One feature I find particularly interesting is the built-in dashboard. According to the developer, this provides live insights directly on the chart, including profit and loss tracking by pair, spread monitoring, drawdown information by currency group, and an overview of currently active positions. Having that information available in one place can make monitoring multiple symbols much more efficient. Now, looking at the recommended setup information, the developer suggests a minimum account size of $500 with a leverage of at least 1:30, while a preferred setup uses a $10,000 account with 1:500 leverage and all supported pairs enabled, including gold. For smaller accounts, the recommendation is to disable selected symbols to maintain more efficient risk distribution. Now, let's just move over to the historical backtesting results. When reviewing any EA, I like to focus on how it behaves throughout the entire testing period rather than concentrating only on the final point figure. Okay, from what we can see here, the information provided on the marketplace, you can see that over about 7 months, the EA made a gain of over 600%, absolute gain 169.3%, and the profit was, okay, this is an euro account, 2,539.51. All right, let's just go over to the MetaTrader results. So we can see from an initial deposit of $10,000, the EA made a total net profit of over 14.5 million over about 5 years. You can see 2020 to 2025. Total trades were 63,545. The short trades were 31,546 with a 91.25% win rate. Long trades were 31,999 with a 91.82% win rate. Largest profit was 50,291.82. Largest loss was 92,119.3. The average profit was 391.56 and average loss was 1,464.41. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, but the win rate is excellent. So I believe that the win rate would have largely contributed to the amazing profits that the EA recorded over about 5 years. All right. So let's just also briefly go to see the EA in action. Having seen the backtest results displayed on the MetaTrader page, let's just briefly look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visual mode, Burning Grid, GBP USD H1, just over the past month, and actually it's just about a week. All right, so I just want us to see the EA in action. All right, so looking at the chart activity, we should be able to observe how the EA manages positions across its tested market conditions. Now, since Burning Grid is designed as a multi-pair solution with adaptive strategy selection and drawdown controls, the overall historical behavior should always be evaluated in the context of the selected risk profile, enabled symbols, and account configuration used during testing. And as with any historical analysis, results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and optimization choices. Historical backtest performance should be viewed as a research tool rather than a prediction of future outcomes. All right, so currently we can see the dashboard here showing currencies, and other important information here, drawdowns per country in percentage, positions, floating, drawdown, and all of those. All right, you can also see the ATR and RSI technical indicators being displayed here. Now, overall, the Burning Grid EA MT5 appears to be aimed at traders looking for a highly configurable multi-pair automated solution with extensive risk controls, optimization capabilities, and integrated monitoring tools. So if you are considering it, I'll strongly recommend conducting your own testing and optimization on your preferred broker and account setup before making any live trading decisions. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.